welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today, I'm going to continue working on my Vlogmas DIYs. So stick around to the end so you can see the finished product. I have 2 of these Dollar Tree Christmas trees in white. 2 of those. I have an ice bucket, some floral foam, some red glitter ribbon. I have a Christmas ornament. And then I have some of these super soft microfiber cloths. Also, all these supplies are from the Dollar Tree. And this is going to act as our fur. So for this season, I am doing fur, white fur accessories. So let's get started. Pretty much measure out how much I'm going to need. Just because of the shape here, I'm going to cut it and then overlap it. That made a nice neat seam going down, and everything is now laying flat. So I'm just going to continue to glue all the way around. I just went around and cut off the excess on the bottom. And then I'm going to glue that down as well. And I put a nice thin ribbon that I also got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to do the same thing around the bottom to make that edge look more finished as well. Over and then overlap. Fold it over and then overlap to get 2 pieces that are around the same size. And grab our pipe cleaner, take it, scrunch it in the middle. Bring that pipe cleaner around, and then also scrunch this and bring this in as well. Let's put a little hot glue on our bowl. And we're going to stick that right up in the middle there. I picked up this little ladybug vacuum, and it works very well for picking up glitter. And if you're interested, I'll make sure to link this down below in the description box. Next, we have our little Dollar Tree Christmas trees. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 and put them together. Do that just by interlacing the branches. It's a very lightweight, small tree, and it'll stay together fine that way. So you lay one on top of the other, and then you go ahead one from each side and join them or twist them together. And that is enough to make these 2 trees stay together. And once you do that, you will see that your little Dollar Tree looks so much fuller, I think. Go ahead and push that whole tree right down into that floral foam. And just drop a little hot glue down here in the bottom. And go ahead and settle our base down in there. And hold that a second until that glue sets up. The rest of that white fabric, tuck it down and around the tree to form a tree skirt. I hope you enjoyed what I put together for you today, and it gives you inspiration to do some Christmas DIYs in your home. If you haven't already done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family, honey, by clicking that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time,